The JBL Flip 6. Is it a good speaker? Let's find out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Danny Plays here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Flip 6, guys. So this is it right here, guys, JBL Flip 6. So it is in the red color. So let's really quickly unbox it. So here it is, guys, JBL Flip 6 in red. So nothing really much to unbox here, but yeah, it is pretty much what that is. So it has Bluetooth 5.1, 12 hours of battery life. You have over here, you can see it has Party Boost, 12 hours playtime, IP67 waterproof and dustproof, and pretty much like I already said, JBL Party Boost. This is just like it says Jerry Listen here. This is the bottom of the box, top of the box. So let's unbox it. So this is a pretty sure magnet. See, this is a magnet. So here it says bold sound for every adventure. And then we have over here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says Flip 6. So it's over here. So we have the actual JBL Flip 6 itself, and we have here some other things. So here we have a booklet. We have tech spec right here, quick start guide, this warranty thing. On the other side, we have the charger. So it's a USB-C charger. So let's check this out real quick. Let me show all this. It shows what's in the box. So pretty much just the speaker itself, the charger, Bluetooth pairing, play, Party Boost app, charging, waterproof stuff, and the warnings, and then tech spec. So yeah, pretty much this right here. All that. And here we go now to the JBL Flip 6 itself. That's it, guys. Let's move this to a side. So this is pretty much the speaker itself. So it looks fairly similar to the Flip 5, except the only differences from the outside that I see, anyway, is the logo change. So instead of like the small like square JBL with orange, they actually have like the actual bigger letters now of JBL for the front of the speaker. And the side, this is definitely new too. The woofers are different. And it also has this, which I'm pretty sure the 5 had that too. So yeah, you have here Flip 5, power button, Bluetooth button. It shows the battery. This is where it charges. You have here up and down, Party Boost, and we have pause and play. So yeah, pretty much what it is. We will be doing also a sound test, guys, on this speaker to see if it's any loud or not. So the JBL Flip 5 was 20 watts. This one's 30 watts, so it should be louder than the last one. I don't really have the Flip 5 to compare it to though, but we're gonna see if it's a good speaker overall. Alright guys, so we're going to be going through the setup process. So it should be pretty easy. So pretty much, these are all the buttons. So to turn it on, we just hit the power button. And that's the classic JBL sound. And that means connected. So I did connect it to my phone off camera. But now let's play some non-copyright music and see if it's good. So I'm gonna have it halfway volume. Alright guys, so that was 50%. Now we're going to bring it up to 85%. Alright guys, so now this is 85%. Alright guys, now I'm going to put it up to 100% volume. This thing is loud so far. Let's see 100%. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so now going to be reviewing the JBL app and pretty much showing you everything that the app contains and everything that the app has. So let's launch the app. Let's see what it has. So pretty much it has an equalizer. So the only JBL Flip that can actually do this right now is the JBL Flip 6 as of right now. And I don't think with updates the JBL 5 or Flip 5 meant and under will get this. I'm pretty sure that only the JBL Flip 6 and up is going to have the app. So that's another feature to get, another reason to get the Flip 6. So right now, these are settings that I have at the moment. So yeah, I was just testing out some random settings, and this is the settings that I have right now. But yeah, there's also a software update right now, which I haven't actually taken yet. But yeah, pretty much you have Party Boost, which you can connect different speakers and play it together. You have the user guide, feedback tone, and you can change this. You can change the bass. You can, if you want a lower bass or higher bass or tremble. Right now I have bass high and tremble high, and right now the mid is the middle. There's also this, you can change language, switch speaker, other random things. The JBL logo right there. JBL Flip 6 itself, so it shows the color that you actually have. You also rename it if you want. There's also another update which has bug fixes and performance improvements. So yeah, this is a user guide. So this actually comes with the actual JBL itself actually. So this exact thing is actually this. It's pretty cool honestly. So yeah, that's actually, you can have it on the app. Yeah, and has all that. Feedback tone, I'm not really sure what that is. It's on right now, but it already came on though. You can actually turn off the equalizer too, which I'm not gonna do that, but it's a feature that you can do. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the app and a review of the JBL itself. Alright, so that's pretty much a review of the JBL Flip 6 guys. Please leave this video a like and please subscribe. And if you guys want more videos, please let me know in the comment below what you want to unbox next. I'll be down to unbox anything that you guys tell me to unbox. I just need to know. Yeah guys, pretty much the video there. So I'm out. Peace.